channel. As you know by the title, today is a simple soft makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do every day. If you don't know, I'm a makeup artist, so I know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step how to obtain a soft simple glam. Alright, so let's get right into it. Also, if you've noticed, it's like my intro changes every time. You know, my first video is different, the intro is different, but now I'm gonna be sticking to this one, the video you saw before this actual video. Yeah, so the small clip you saw, yeah, actually that's what I'm gonna be sticking with because it's simple, it's beautiful, it's short, you know, not too much. So that's what I'm gonna be sticking with. So let's get right into it. So first of all, I'm gonna be using my baby wipes and a cleanser, you know, to take away the dirt. You don't want to be applying makeup on a dirty face, you get me? So this is what I'm going with. So just apply a little bit to my baby wipes, and then I go in. And always make sure your pencil is well pointed like this. This is the Davies brow pencil. So that's what I'm gonna be going with. So now we are gonna shape the brows. Actually, I love how my brows are given. You get it? So I'm gonna be using the Afua concealer and then the LA Girl concealer. This is in the shade Almond and this is in the shade A50. You get that? I can focus. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using. Actually, this is a little bit. It's not really light. You need to use a shade which is 2 times lighter than your skin color. So I'm gonna be mixing these, and that's gonna give me that bright under eye look. You get it? So let's get right into it. So sorry I didn't show you earlier. This is my concealer brush, and then we are going to use a fluffy brush like this to blend it out. And an important tip, you don't swipe, you dab into the skin. Just dab into the skin. Just like that. No need to swipe, just that. And not too hard, just something soft. So now we are moving to the top of our brows. We are going to be using the foundation. You can use any foundation of your choice. You get it, but I'm going in with the Afua foundation and the LA Girl Pro foundation. You get it? This is darker, this is lighter, so I mix it to get my skin color. Period. So now we are done with our brows. Get it? We are done with our brows, so now we go to the full face. But before you start your makeup, make sure you prep your face, you just don't go in with your foundation. You just don't go in and then start applying your foundation. Firstly, find a moisturizer that works for you. I'm an oily skin person, so my moisturizer is oil free. It doesn't contain oil because my face already produces oil, so you don't want to much oil. But if you're someone with a dry skin, go in with a moisturizer which contains a little bit of oil. You get it? You don't want your makeup done and you're walking, doing so much activities and then you start dripping. I'm going in with my primer. Forgive me, makeup is messed up, but I'm going with my primer. This is Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. So now we are going in with our foundation. You might be wondering, this is a little bit darker than my skin color, but trust the process, everything is gonna come together. Alright, I'm going in with my beauty blender. Make sure it's wet but not too wet and not too dry. When it's wet, it's not gonna blend, and when it's dry, it's gonna take the product. So now I'm going to apply my concealer, the same concealer I used for my brows. So now we are going in with our contour. I use a darker foundation for my contour. You can use a darker concealer or foundation. I prefer to use a foundation because it's easy to blend. And when you're applying your contour, just use your ear to measure, the top of your ear down. So that's it. Get it, this part, and you blend it to the top. So I'm going in with my Laura Mercier or Mercier, I don't know the pronunciation, but yeah, this is it. It's super expensive, but was worth it. It blends everything together. Just watch how it's gonna make everything come together. I'm gonna use this to set all the places that I applied my concealer. You get it? So just look at how it's just gonna blend everything. Pay attention. With this. So I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my pressed powder. So now I'm gonna apply my bronzer. So now we are gonna bake with this. And also I'm gonna be baking this part of my, because when I smile, you see there's a line, so for it not to crack. So now we are moving to the brows and the eyeshadow, but because it's a simple glam look, I'm not gonna be applying eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply a little bit because there's a soft one. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit of my Laura Mercier and I'm gonna be applying it. I'm gonna set this part of my brows. And for my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna be using a light brown. This. Oh my god, I forgot to record this on camera. I didn't tap on it, so I'm gonna try to do this on camera now. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. I'll be right back. So now I'm done with my lashes. So let's move to the lip. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you'd like to see next on my page. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at realty, and my business page Face by T. You're gonna be seeing it on your screen. Let me know what you'd like to see next down in the comment section, and in case you missed anything, everything will be explained down in the description box. So yeah, hope you loved it. See you later. Bye.